This is going to be a video on installing the JBL mid-high speakers on the Toyota Land Cruiser. It should be a very easy thing to do. This is going to be plug and play. All you're going to need is a 10mm socket and some type of tool to be able to take the plastic bits off. This is a minimal thing to do, but it will definitely make your sound a lot better. The price is very affordable as well. This is also a premium option that comes with the premium Land Cruiser. And to install this, you shouldn't need to make any new holes, cut any wires. It's all plug and play.